In the natural world, survival isn't always about strength. Sometimes it's about control. There are organisms that don't chase their prey. They don't fight. They don't roar. They infiltrate. They alter behavior, override instinct, rewrite fear.
This is the hidden side of nature, where the real predators never show their teeth. There's a parasite called Simathoa exigua. It enters a fish through the gills. It attaches to the tongue. It drains the blood until the tongue falls off. Then it takes its place. The parasite becomes the fish's new functioning tongue, and the fish keeps living. Nature doesn't always kill. Sometimes it replaces. There is a parasite known as a horsehair worm. It infects insects like crickets and mantises. Inside the host, it grows silently. But when it's ready to reproduce, it needs water. So it takes control. The infected insect suddenly feels an urge to find water. It walks toward it, jumps in, and drowns. Moments later, a long, thin worm emerges from the body and slithers away. The host was never in control.
There is a microscopic parasite called Toxoplasma gondii. It infects rodents and rewires their brains. Suddenly, fear disappears. The predator that once terrified them now becomes strangely attractive. The rodent walks right into danger, all so the parasite can reproduce inside the cat. In nature, sometimes the real predator isn't the one with claws. It's the one controlling the mind.
Some wasps don't just hunt, they take control. They inject venom into a spider. The spider's brain is hijacked. It builds a special web, perfect for the wasp's cocoon. When the job is done, the spider dies. In this battle of nature, sometimes the victim does the work for its own destruction.
There is a fungus that doesn't just feed, it controls. It infects an ant, hijacks its nervous system, and takes over its behavior. The ant climbs high, bites down on a leaf, and dies. From its body, the fungus spreads its spores, turning one ant into a vessel for its own survival. Nature doesn't always kill to survive. Sometimes it controls. The natural world is stranger and darker than most of us realize. From parasites that hijack brains to creatures that replace body parts, nature doesn't always play fair. Sometimes survival isn't about strength, it's about control. If this fascinated you or gave you chills, subscribe and hit the bell. Because the deeper you go, the stranger it gets.